Question B3. If this measuring jug can hold 2 litres to the top line, draw where 800 millilitres would come to. So if 2 litres is the top line, that's the same as 2,000 millilitres. Remember, 1 litre is 1,000 ml. So 2 litres is going to be 2,000 ml. And what we've got to do now is figure out what each of these gaps represents. So if this big line here is 2,000 ml, when the jug is half full here, that's going to be 1,000 ml or 1 litre. But then we've got 5 gaps in between. So we've got 1,000 to 2,000, and that's a gap of a litre. So we're going up 1 litre in between those two measurements. And if you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little gaps there. So if you take your 1 litre, which is 1,000 ml, and split it into the 5 little gaps between that 1,000, 1,000 divided by 5 is basically going to be 200 ml. So what that's telling us is that it's going up in 200 millilitres for each mini gap. So to cut a long story short, we are then going to be going up in 200. So if this is 1,000, the next little mini one up must be 1,200, then 1,400, 1,600, 1,800, and as you can see, it works out to be 2,000. But that doesn't answer this question of 800. So now we can go back in 200s, coming below 1,000. So back 200 from 1,000 is 800. And that's actually the answer to the question that we need. So it would be that line that we need. Just to be complete about it, the next line down would be 600, then 400, then 200. Now, if you're wondering why this bit down the bottom is quite big, but it's only 200, is because the jug goes narrower at the bottom, which means it would fill up more quickly. So correct answer to our question is that it's this line right here shows you 800, which is the 4th line up. So it's the 4th line up.